Hey guys, before we start, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you will want to see more of these YouTube hacks. Today, I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel so you don't want to see anymore. First, open your YouTube app. Now, go to the channel you want to block. So for me, I will just randomly click on any of the video YouTube channels. Okay, so here there is a guy. Okay, now just click on the three dot option on the right corner on top. Just click on it, and now there will be an option called hide user from my channel. Now just click on that and just click on hide user, and boom, now this person will never gonna suggest on your YouTube feed, and just like that YouTube will not show videos from that channel in your feed. It's a quick, simple, and keeps your recommendation clean. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy YouTube tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.